Welcome to Catching Scammers and Animal Company Part 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe. So, just in case if he scams, I'll show you. Yep, 10 fingers, 20. Alright, let's see. Will he scam? Whoop! Oh, damn. Okay, I did unmute myself. Poke. Oh my god, I'm so broke. Hey.
I'm in.
Okay. What do you want to trade?
Okay, I'll trade a different item.
Okay, I'll go through stuff I have. You coming down?
Oh,
You coming down? Alright. Is this good? Is this a good trade?
Yeah, wait, let me get
And then I'll look at the stuff you got. What is that wobble dog? What is that
Like,
wobble?
give me an idea what you want.
That's so weird. I don't know.
Give me a rubber ducky.
Actually, I'll do the rubber ducky.
The blue one?
Sure.
The rubber. Oh my god. Come to me.
Rainbow ball.
Here. Right.
Alright. Geez, that's super small. Alright. I'll stand like back here.
Oh man.
Why are you getting close? Okay. Alright, go a little bit back. Okay, hold on. Let me just check something real quick. Okay. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Yo!
Oh,
Oh.
it's long!
Dude, we're...
Let's restart. It's long here.
Oh.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, but... Actually, I'm gonna keep this duck. Even though I was kind of like doing a mini social experiment, I'm still gonna keep this duck because it's kind of cool. And it's kind of for my friend, so...
I just click any random numbers.
Alright, but W for being a good trader. Do you want a shout out?
Sure.
Alright, guys. Shout out to 10 Fingers for being a good trader, and yeah, because if you see him in a server, you know that he's fine to trade with. So shout out to him. Alright. Let's see. Is he gonna join? Okay. He joined. Alright, what do you want to trade?
I have. Let me see what I have. I have golden granite.
What's the roll?
I have
I'm screaming all the time.
I have this.
I already have those unlocked.
Unlock? How many times you, bro? How many times you have played this shit?
Okay.
I have this.
I guess, yeah. Alright,
So what am I gonna give for it?
I have so much stuff from this bag this dude gave me. You want a landmine for it?
Landmine? No,
Yeah.
I don't like landmines.
Okay. Do you want Oh, I have a lot of these. Tiny revolver. It's like super tiny.
Let me see it. Golden revolver? Heck yeah.
Alright, bet.
I hope
You-
some time that I didn't see those.
Alright, hold on. Let me fix my hair. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
I don't like this. I think someone is gonna scam me, and that's you.
Wait, let me. There's no one here, so.
But I don't feel comfortable.
Here, look, I'll show you. Look, I have nothing. Hold on. I have nothing. Or do you want to switch the item? Oh my god, that scared me. Hold on. Let me go reload this. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
I got it.
W
Actually, I
trade.
got it. That was great, bro. Thank you so much for not scamming me, bro.
This is very cool. This is actually a pretty cool hammer. You can have it back though, cause I was just doing a social experiment. You can have it back.
Oh my god, my camera!
I was just trying to catch scammers. And do you want to
Hey,
shout
yo,
out?
bro! Bro.
Yeah.
How the YouTube channel called?
It's Mason6789 official. You can feel free to go check it out.
Okay, I will check it out when the videos are up.
All right. Shout out to this dude for not scamming. So, all right. Have a good day. W to the 2 people who didn't scam. No one actually really scammed. And actually,
on.
I'm gonna give him a prize, an extra prize. Not scamming.
What do you mean an extra price?
I'm gonna give you this. I'll give you this dagger.
Dagger? Oh my god! I like those daggers. Where did
It's
you
in
go? Thank you for the bro. Hey yo, I just got teleported for this. I like these daggers. Thank you.
welcome. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Bro, I just knocked a bag down. And my remote disconnected. All right.
Oh my god.
Have a good day. Don't turn out to be a scammer. And like and subscribe.